People think the US government shows us everything, but what if I told you, babe, the real America exists in the shadows?
Under Washington, D.C., deeper than any subway tunnel, lies a classified corridor not shown on any map.
These tunnels connect certain government buildings. Only approved eyes ever see them.
Some guards stationed there were never registered as official employees.
Every president is shown something on their first day in office, something the public can't know.
It isn't a secret. It's the secret.
Below the Pentagon lies an unmarked chamber with no digital record.
It houses files older than the internet and deadlier than war.
In 1987, a military contractor vanished after seeing one of these files.
Far out in the Pacific, beyond civilian GPS range, sits an island the government denies exists. Only drones and classified aircraft travel there. Locals call it the Listening Island, because strange signals bounce from its shore at night.
Some believe it's a relay point for something out there.
Near Florida, underwater, lies the remains of an abandoned submarine base.
It wasn't destroyed, it was sealed.
As if something inside wasn't meant to come out.
Declassified files show that during the Cold War, America hid more than missiles.
Did anyone see us? No, just hurry up. The last drive is secure.
Where did you go?
It's right behind you.
Nobody knows who we are.
Their identities were erased from every system.
Some say they were volunteers, others say they weren't.
The CIA once ran a program where silence was enforced. Permanently.
They tried to warn you. They tried to speak the truth, and because of it, they disappeared.
Even senators don't ask certain questions.
Because they know. The answers may be worse than the rumors.
Every country has secrets.
But America's are buried deeper.
Under oceans.
Inside mountains.
Inside steel vaults.
So ask yourself, are we really living in the land of the free or in the land of the unseen?